lovely. So look what we do here. We've got a mold and we just put in some bacon. Very nice and gently. So we start with frying our onions. So now put everything in. We've got the minced meat. We take 1 egg. We've got some diced salami and some lovely herbs. Then we take some salt and we go for some hot sauce. And of course we take some Worcester sauce. Here we go. And in goes all the lovely onions we sauteed. And finish with breadcrumbs. So now we put this mixture gently into the bowl. Then we just flip the sides. And we're gonna put this into the freezer, and meanwhile we're gonna make a little dressing to cover it. Therefore we take some ketchup, and here's some hot sauce, vinegar, and some brown sugar. So here we go, we flip it onto a sheet, very lovely, and then we put on our lovely glazing. So let's put it into the oven at 150 degrees for 1 hour. So check out my spätzle and the potato salad with it. And look at this beauty. You turn off the oven and let it sit for half an hour, and then we're gonna cut it. Look at our beauty. We just can lift it and put it over there. The moment of truth. We just gonna cut it. And see, oh, this is so marvelous. This is so lovely. Look at it. And go for some spätzle and Kartoffelsalat with it. Lovely.